I'm Peter from Team Low Range 4x4, and I just wanted to give you a bit of an update on what's happening next weekend. Alright, so I was just about to go film an update video to Comerong Island. Turns out the ferry was closed. What a beautiful day not to be able to film. However, that's not exactly why I'm talking to you right now. So, as you'll probably be aware by the title I've chosen, this is about the Sydney 4-Wheel Driving and Adventure Expo. So, I'm going to be walking around with a camera, talking to people, having a look around, probably early in the morning. So if you would like to come and say hello to me, Saturday the 7th of September, this coming weekend, I'll be doing that. And of course after that I'll be posting the video of all the highlights that I find on the show, and I'll also be putting a link in the description for the previous show in this video so you can see what happened last year. Yeah, I'm actually quite looking forward to the Sydney 4-Wheel Driving Adventure Expo. But if you're going to be there around on the Saturday, you know, don't be afraid to come up and have a chat, because obviously I like to engage with my fan base, and if you like to have a bit of a chat about how you think the channel is going and what videos you might like to see, you know, and you might be a bit afraid to type your comments in the comments because people like to comment on comments, of course. So yeah, if you want to catch me there, I'll be around on Saturday in the morning. Now, one other thing I'd like to talk about before I end this video. So if you enjoyed our adventure style videos, I'm going to definitely be doing an update to the Comerong video. Now that I've actually got my drone going, I'm going to be able to get all those wonderful shots to give you a big overview of what the island's like. I was hoping to do it today. What a beautiful day it is to be out on the tracks. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to do it. So once the 4-Wheel Driving and Adventure Expo video has been uploaded, I'll be diving straight onto that. Of course, there's always going to be more 4-wheel driving coming up, and of course reviews of bits and pieces. I do hope to get some new accessories on the Hilux very soon, and I'll be looking forward to showing you those. And of course my mystery tyres, they're very due. Well, they're not very due, they're due very soon, I should say. Look at that English. And I'm hoping I can do an early impressions video on that soon. Alright, I'm Peter from Team Low Range 4x4. I'll catch you on the tracks and hopefully the show.